Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of flipped properties using your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of flipped properties in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online wholesale business, looking up recent flipped properties can help you find other cash buyers or investors. It can also give you insight on what kind of assignment fees or what investors are paying for properties in today's market. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Propwire account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of flipped properties with your Propwire, first off, here on the left, go ahead and choose your farming area. So this could be a city, it could be a zip code, it could be a county. I've already pulled up Long Beach, California. Now with Propwire, they make it easy to find flipped properties. All you're going to do is click here on lead types and scroll down to this section. It says flipped properties. Now with Propwire, they define it as a property that was bought and sold within 18 months. So now once we click here, it's going to filter out all the properties in Long Beach, California. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a flipped property, but there's a high chance that it was a flipped property if it was bought and sold within 18 months. So let me go ahead and click here. You can see there's 105,000 properties right now, and this is going to filter it down. Now, it looks like they have identified about 430 properties in Long Beach, California that are potential flips. So we can go ahead and just scroll down and then just click on it. Okay, so we have this property right here. And then we can click on the history. Okay, so this one's kind of interesting. So I'm recording this in September 2025, and on public records, it's saying this was sold for $400,000, and then there was another transfer, $535,000, and it doesn't show a price here when it was transferred here. So if we look down here on the listing history, it looks like it was an off-market sale, probably sold on May 29th. And then on public records, it shows sale price $535. So it looks like this right here is the investor, or maybe flipper, and they bought it for 400 and they turned around and sold it for 535. I don't know why it went from the investor to this investor and then to a person 2 months later. So I wonder, normally what you'll see, if it's going to be a wholesale deal, it'll be 400 here, and then it's immediately sold, let's say for 420, and 20,000 went to them as a wholesale fee, and then later they send it to the end buyer for 535. But it kind of gives you an insight, and also it gives you a good opportunity to maybe reach out to this flipper. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of flipped homes using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.